Hi everyone, my name is Adam Suhak. I'm a channel account manager here at GFI Software. First of all, I wanted to thank Romsym Data for giving us this great opportunity to be here today. And of course, I would like to thank all the customers, all the partners that are here with us today. During this session, we will talk about GFI Unlimited and GFI Software Portfolio. We will explain what GFI Unlimited really is and what values it brings to the end customers and to our resellers, and simply why you should get to know it and why you should work with it. But as we are here on the Romsym Day for the first time in a while, I really wanted to reintroduce GFI software. So really, before we go into details of GFI Unlimited, couple of words of who we are, what we are bringing to the IT landscape. As for many of you, it might be the first time that we are in touch. I do want to stress out GFI Software is not a new vendor. We are in the market for over 28 years, and we have started already at the beginning of 90s on a little island of Malta. And already from the beginning, we have focused on IT solutions for small and medium businesses. A big step forward for us, surely it was the year 2015 when we joined Aurea Software, a larger group of software companies, thanks to which GFI was not only able to accelerate development of our own branded solutions, but also to grow our portfolio through adding other vendors' solutions to our portfolio. That happened already in 2017. This growth was very rapid. In 2017, we have added to our portfolio Carrier Technologies, a very well-known and strong vendor offering mail server and firewall solutions. And a year after, adding Exinda solutions focused on a network optimization that allow us to reach to slightly larger customers than our typical SMB customers. 2020-21 is a very exciting time for us. We have already released some new products recently. We do have our ticketing system out. We do have the new series of carrier hardware out, but there will be even more coming in the next year with not only new products, but with doubling our spend on development of our existing solutions. So surely a very exciting time ahead of us. I have already mentioned Aurea Software as our mother company. For those of you who do not know Aurea is yet, it is a large group of companies where GFI is basically responsible for small and medium businesses. However, Aurea is much more. These are companies like Jive, Broadvision, MessageOne, and many, many more. I am mentioning it because being a part of this big family gives GFI a great possibility to learn from the other vendors as well, to learn from their experiences, share the knowledge, and that obviously helps us to build our own most effective strategy going forward. Couple of numbers. GFI is obviously a multinational vendor with multinational presence. Our solutions are currently in use in over 130 countries. We do have over the years over 100,000 customers, a great network of our local partners and distributors, with obviously Romsym being one of them already for a number of years. So now, before we move on to our products, I just wanted to help you to understand the idea standing behind the whole portfolio. And there are really three pillars of our brand, and these are, first of all, SMB. SMB market is always the core market for GFI solutions, the center of our interest. Second, but simply connected to the first point, really, simplicity. That has been always our key differentiator. Our solutions are easy to trial, easy to implement, easy to use. And basically, when we say easy, we mean easy for both IT admins, but also for the end users, for your employees. And last but not least, it's the channel focus. We believe in our local partners, the ones that are just around the corner, the ones that know you, the ones that are supporting you. These are the ones that have the biggest expertise and knowledge to deliver our solutions to the market. Therefore, GFI has been always loyal and will be loyal to the channel sales model. So these are the three key points that are always in the heart of our business. They stand behind everything that we do. And now the portfolio itself. GFI honestly offers a very broad number of solutions. These solutions are split into three categories, three groups. So we have network, security, and communications. In the network section, we do have Exinda solutions for network optimization and SD-WAN. In the security section, we do have LANguard as our network security scanner and patch management tool. And we do have Mail Essentials, our antivirus and anti-spam mail protection. On top of that, we have Carrier Control, our UTM firewall VPN solution, available as both software and hardware appliance, with the brand new series of the boxes that we have honestly released just less than a month ago. And then going to the communication section, we do have archiving for compliance for GFI Archiver. We do have FaxMaker, our fax server, one of the longest standing solutions in our portfolio. For those of you wondering basically who is still faxing, fax is honestly not dead. There is still a market for it and a number of loyal customers that are not really thinking to move away from faxing. So that is still a desirable solution. And then we have Carrier Connect, a very well-known solution when it comes to the Eastern Europe market. That is a solution of the vendor that was originally coming from the Czech Republic. Carrier Connect is a mail server. This is our direct competition to Microsoft Exchange. And what's interesting, Carrier Connect is also available for our partners in the SaaS model. And last but not least, our brand new help desk solution, a ticketing system, released just 2 months back, but already getting a very positive reviews from both end users and the customers. So that is our portfolio as of today. And honestly, this way we are getting to the main point of today's session, as all our software solutions are available in a form of GFI Unlimited. And now we're going to talk a bit more about GFI Unlimited itself. So what really is GFI Unlimited? It's our new sales model that we introduced back in April 2018. It's basically one subscription that gives the customer access to the full products portfolio. It's competitively priced. It allows customers to use multiple products, but for one low price per seat. And lastly, it's simply licensed with a general rule: 1 seat of GFI Unlimited equals to 1 seat of every product that we currently have in our portfolio. So I guess many of you might be actually asking yourself a question: why would we do it? Why would we want to offer all our solutions for one low price instead of basically offering them as single products? And there were multiple factors we have taken into consideration, but main of them would be really these three simple facts about SMB business. So first of all, the needs of SMBs are rapidly growing. Many of the small companies are just at the start of their journey. And while their business grows, their team grows, so do their business needs. Then second, complexity. So with this growing needs, the number of applications in use grows as well. And honestly, one of the recent studies shows that an average IT admin in an average SMB uses over 14 applications on regular basis. So we have 14 applications from multiple vendors, from vendors with different pricing structure, with different licensing model, and licenses expiring on a different dates. So obviously this leads to a massive administrative tasks for IT departments, and really tasks that are simply distracting admins from their core of the job. And lastly, what's most crucial for a large number of our customers, over half of the SMBs is challenged with increasingly tight budgets. Simply, the budgets are not growing as fast as the needs are. So these are the three simple facts about SMBs that make us believe that GFI Unlimited and this kind of sales model will be successful in the market and will be the future of this type of business. So let's now see what's really there in GFI Unlimited. So in GFI Unlimited, we honestly include all our software solutions from both security and the communication section. I would actually want you to think about it more as a feature set rather than the actual product. So basically what you're getting is a mail server and a collaboration tool. You get the anti-spam, you get the antivirus protection for your mail server. You are able to offload your mail server and redirect archiving through GFI Archiver. You can secure your network through FileWar and VPN, and you can enable additional web filtering. You're able to scan your network for vulnerabilities. You're able to apply patches. If you require it, you also have the access to our fax server, and you even have the access to our ticketing system. And as we all know, the ticketing systems are quite costly, and they might get very, very expensive. Now, and obviously there is more than that, and this portfolio is growing, so there will be more and more solutions added to that portfolio in the future. That basically means that as the company grows, as the SMB company grows, so does the GFI Unlimited portfolio, and so that we grow and our partner grows together. So this is all that you are getting under one umbrella of GFI Unlimited. I believe it's a great value for each business, and surely it's a great value for companies struggling on the budgets. Now, what's worth mentioning, GFI does not only bring value by its solutions, but it also gives customers and partners flexibility to manage and to self-manage actually their subscriptions. So with release of GFI Unlimited, we have developed a customer portal where all our customers can manage their subscriptions easily and basically on their own. It's a very simple and intuitive tool, and what's very important, it gives resellers, partners, the same possibility to manage their subscriptions just the way that the customers do it. So if you're a reseller and you took over, you manage the whole IT security, IT infrastructure of your customer, you would be able, thanks to that system, to manage the subscription on behalf of your customer just the way that the customer can actually do it. And just to give you the feel of the standard and a very simple process every GFI customer goes through after purchasing subscription, as we are not selling a particular product, there is no license key sent out to the customer like in a normal buying process. What we are doing instead, customer receives a very short email with login details to our customer portal. All you need to do is to follow the link, log in, and get the access to the whole portfolio of our solutions available under available products section. Now, what you need to do next, basically with one click, you can generate the product key from the same screen. You are able to download the installer and you are all set up. You can start using the product. That's basically it. Simple, understandable, and easy to explain. And lastly, but surely important to our customers, the cost of GFI Unlimited. And as we say, 1 + 1 does not have to equal 2. So the fact that you're requiring 2 or more products doesn't mean that you have to pay double the price. With GFI Unlimited, you can now basically satisfy all these multiple business needs at a very low cost. And that low cost would be 32, 35 euro per seat per year for getting all the solutions that we currently have in our portfolio. And worth mentioning, that cost is going down for example, government, educational customers with multi-year subscriptions and larger installations. So we give it pretty much all for a very, very low price versus other competitive solutions. And I'm very, very happy to share that more and more of our customers are actually going for GFI Unlimited within the first 2 years. So in between April 2018 and today, in Eastern Europe and Central Europe, already 25% of our customers are using this type of subscription. And these percentages are obviously to go up heavily in the future. Now, for those of you who want to learn more about GFI Unlimited, full information is obviously available online on gfi.com/unlimited. Our existing partners can get the full information, including pricing and marketing materials, on our partner portal. And new partners or customers looking to learn more about GFI Unlimited, please feel free to contact me directly on that event or over the email, or get in touch with Romsym as our value-added distributor. We are more than happy to answer all the questions. I wanted to thank you so much for your time today. Have a great rest of the event and hope to hear from you very, very shortly. Thank you so much.